How to add comment to your designs in Figma. This is a fantastic way to collaborate with your team and gather feedback. Let's jump right in. First, open the Figma file where you want to add comments. Make sure you're in a view mode. This is where commenting feature is available, or you can simply go to the toolbar at the very bottom. In my case, the toolbar is at the very bottom. So you can see the icon of comment, which is this one. Simply tap in there, or you can simply hit the C keyword as a shortcut. Simply tap into here, and now you can choose wherever you want to add the comment. Let's say I'm gonna put it over here, so put it there, and you can see a pop-up bar, this is where you can add a comment. So you can type whatever you want, like subscribe to Take Basics. Okay, with that being said, make sure you subscribe to Take Basic. I'm gonna wait for you guys to do that, so simply go down and hit that subscribe button. So I hope you've done that. So after you're done with subscribing and all of it, you can simply now let's get back to the video. All you have to do is tap into this button, and now you can see the pop-up bar. Wait, if you hover your cursor, you can see the comment that I just added. So yeah, now you can simply add more comment if you want to. Your other members will also be able to see that comment, and there you have it. Your comments will now be visible to anyone else who has access to the file, making collaboration a breeze. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on Figma. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!